Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play No Man's Sky with friends on your PlayStation 4. First, make sure both you and your friend have an active PlayStation Plus subscription, which is essential for online play. Then, connect your console to the internet and launch the game. From the main menu, you will need to navigate to the network options to begin setting up your multiplayer session. It's a straightforward process. Once in the network menu, you can easily join a friend's ongoing game. Simply select the Join Game option. This will display a list of your online friends who are currently playing No Man's Sky. Find your friend's name, select their session, and confirm your choice. The game will then begin loading you directly into their current location within the vast universe, ready for adventure. If you prefer to host, start your own game and ensure your network settings allow others to join. While in-game, open the quick menu, which is usually accessed by pressing down on the D-pad. Navigate to the Network tab within this menu. From there, you can select Invite Friend and choose from your online friends list to send them an invitation to your current session. It's quite simple. Once connected, you and your friends can form a group to streamline shared missions and resource gathering. Utilize the in-game voice chat for seamless communication, making coordination much easier. Together, you can explore countless star systems, build bases, and complete various objectives as a cohesive unit. Remember, teamwork makes exploring the infinite cosmos even more rewarding and fun for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.